First newbie, Design Brigade.
I believe in our future. I believe I'll make it on my own. Didn't factor in the consequences or the cost. Cause I know that it will work out, and I know that it will turn out fine. I think sometimes we must let it work out on its own. Even though I'm just a human, I'm still listening to every message that was sent me from inside the wind. I believe in our future. I believe in something I don't know. There's always something that we're never meant to understand. I just hope that it will work out. I just hope that it will turn out fine. I know sometimes we have to leave everything behind. Even though I'm just a human, I'm still listening to every message that was sent me from inside the wind. And I know I'm just a human that will say away. So I'm living on the pieces of eternity. I believe in our future.
Contingency.
I'm just a human.